Hi, welcome to the Unimog portion of our YouTube channel. As a bit of background, the Australian Defence Force is replacing the Mercedes U1700L Unimogs, and we bought one at auction to fit out for travelling in Australia. There are lots of modifications we want to make to get the Unimog road ready, and we're going to record that journey. It'll be a record for us to look back on, and we hope it'll also be helpful to anyone else wanting to modify their Mog. The first video is a warts and all tour of our starting point, including some of the ex-Army Mog's more unusual characteristics.
Here we have a typical ADF Mog, Mercedes Unimog 1700L from the Defence Force. This one was 1982. They're mostly sort of early 80s. If you look carefully, almost all of them have a bunch of little marks on them, little areas of rust, etc, etc. But that said, they've been well maintained. They're not pretty. In this case, down here, I've been trying to do some repairs just to get that going. I've yet to get it registered. The 12 means it's a 12-ton load for crossing bridges. Lights there. These are your normal headlights. These ones here are convoy lights. That's only for use in situations where one truck's following another and it's blacked out. So these are normal driving lights and normal indicators for normal running. A proper snorkel up there. With a unit on top that's designed to try and get out a lot of the dust. This drops down, access to the engine bay through here. These little holes allow you to open and do some clips in there, and this is a fiberglass panel that comes out. Tarpaulin on the back, battery box here. One of 3 air compressor storage tanks, obviously stairs here, access, petrol tank there, diesel tank there, 2 more compressors, storage down here. These trays here drop down on those hinges, and you've got a drop tray, tarps at the top. Down the back here, fuel cans go in there. Hitch down the bottom here. These are air lift points. If it's going to be lifted up, they can also be used as tie down points. Normal indicators and reflectors here. These ones are for the nighttime operations, blackout operations, convoy, call it whatever you like. Towing connections here. Coming around. Up in here is where you normally have a shovel, an axe and a pickaxe. Another toolkit. Over here, 2 more toolkit items. In there's the jack and that sort of thing. In this case, the jack's inside. Down here, access to the cabin, spare wheel, and there's a little winch here to get the spare wheel off. If you look underneath, these are tie down points as well. Whereas if you come to the front, these are lift points and these are tie down points. So this is only for helicopter lift. They refer to them as elephant ears. Inside the truck, that's where the jack is stored on this one. glove box here, just turns, simple glove box, map light coming on there if we turn it. I'm sitting on one of two seats. There's the driver's seat. There's all your normal idiot lights, indicators, etc. This drops down for nighttime operations, and this for blackout operations. Gears here, 8 gears, normal sort of heater controls. Over here, gear stick here, park brake, reverse, and the dash here is quite simple. Over there is where you choose your 4-wheel drive and lockers. Here choose lights, speed, tacho, air pressure. There's 2 air pressure systems that both need to get up to, I think it's about 10 bar before you can get going. Voltage here, this is the lights. So on this side is lights on. There's a lockout here, and this side around here are the convoy lights. That's it, normal pedals. Cupola above my head here. Some people refer to it as a turret, but basically access to the roof. You turn these handles sideways, push this up, and it folds over to the other side there. There's a little clip, goes down, hangs on the clip. Spot to put your jacket there, spot to put your rifle there, and the ability to see that through the to the load there. And that's it. Pretty good vision out the side, out the front here.